Just another morning that is about to end, mga lods. Anong balak mong gawin sa pera mo? Ngayong habang may trabaho ka pa and kumikita ka pa. Have you ever thought everything in this world has limitations? Only God is unlimited. Do you think of a startup investment na safe, scam-free? Or are you curious about asset preservation? Well, if so, kindly like, follow, and share my page, Money Goals with Eden on Facebook, and together with my friends in the financial industry, let me guide you towards achieving your, your financial success, the financial success that you're dreaming of before starting this business. See us.